Okay, now we're going to do another lesson. This one has to do with adding decimals to your division problem, adding a decimal with zeros so that you can work and try to keep going until you don't get a remainder. So I'm going to give you an example. The example, good example to use is, suppose I wanted to find out what the decimal is for 5/8. So I would flip that over and divide. The 5 would land in here and the 8 would go here. I obviously can't get 8 out of 5, but I can put a decimal there and I can add as many zeros as I want because it's still going to be 5. It does not change the value of that whole number. So I'm going to start with 1 0, take it from there. So how many times can we get 8 out of 50? By the way, I have to remember to raise that decimal there. So I can get 8 out of 50 6 times. 6 times 8 is 48. And then I subtract. That gives me a remainder of 2. I have a remainder. I don't want a remainder. So I'm going to add another 0. And I'm going to drop that 0. Okay. I can get 8 out of 20 2 times without going over. 2 times 8 gives me 16. I subtract, brings me 4. I still have a remainder. I don't want a remainder. So I'm going to add another 0 and I'm going to drop that one. 8 goes into 40 exactly 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40, and then I get a remainder of 0. So this is how we add zeros to keep working until we no longer have a remainder. Okay, I hope this was helpful.